This is a very short video to show you how to set up Register2List Lite. I'm going to use my account, and I've got a number of lists already defined in my account, but you may not have one at all. If so, you will create one. Once it's created, you simply select the list that you want to send your subscribers to. Then click on the Web Forms tab in the upper right hand corner. Now, I've already got a form created. If you've got one created, you can simply click the Publish button and get the information you need. But we're going to start from scratch, so click the Create New Form button. And Aweber will show you all of these really pretty forms that you can display to your users. But since your users will never see this form that we're going to use, choose the popular group and then the basic form and load that template. And it's got all the information you need, the name and the email address. So we'll click on the Settings tab to take us to the next step. In this step, we simply name our form, whatever you'd like it to be. The name is inconsequential in terms of what we're doing. And save the form. Once it's saved, we can move on to the third step, which is that Publish step. This is where you would be taken if you had clicked on the Publish link that we talked about before. You want I will install my form and the raw HTML version. And Aweber displays this really ugly text. You can de-ugly it a little bit by removing the Include Beautiful Form styles. But the information that you need is in this text. There are two items that we're looking for. One is the list name, which in this instance is default with some numbers behind it. So we'll copy that, and we don't want to copy the quotes. Go back to Register2List Lite, choose Aweber as our mailing list service, and copy the information into the correct column. Now, as I mentioned before, I've already done this before, so I've got some information there you wouldn't. Now there's the Meta Web Form ID, which is also very important. And the value is generally numeric, so you will copy that and paste that in the right-hand column. And you're basically ready to go. Now in my case, I know this number is incorrect. I'm going to correct it here. And notice I've got multiple rows. If you're running Register2List with the micro membership plugin, you have the ability to send different levels of subscribers to different lists. For instance, the premium subscriber can go to one list, and I can send my executive subscribers to a different list if I so choose. In the way I've got it defined, the premium subscribers would go to one list and everybody else would go to the default list. So we're going to save this and we're done. Now get response is much easier. All you need here is what's called the campaign name. It's the name of your mailing list. So you can log into your Get Response account. It's very easy to find. So you'd put your campaign name there. Again, if you're running this with the micro membership plugin, you can send different membership levels to different mailing lists. And the generic one is very similar to Get Response. This is for mailing lists that will accept emails from your subscribers. Register2List will send an email with the appropriate information to the email address that you put in here. And once more, if you're running with micro membership, you can send different membership levels to different mailing lists. Okay? Now we're really all done. I'm going to flip back to Aweber and save this once more. But I want to point out one more thing here. Down at the bottom of the page is the actual message that is displayed on your registration form. And it's sign me up, da-da-da-da-da-da. If you look here, there's the sign me up. Just to have a little bit of fun, let's go back and change this message to something even more exciting. And then we will save this, go back to our registration screen and refresh it. And if you notice, our message has changed to match what we put in there. So you can put a custom message in your Register to List options. And that's it. It's a very simple plugin to configure. The only difficulty is finding the correct information in Aweber. Once you've done it, it's really easy to do it from then on. So enjoy.